Good morning, guys. Today is January 5th, 2023, and it's almost 9:15. And this is a live recording session, and I'm going live on YouTube. And I'm waiting for the market to start right now. We'll see how it goes. I'm using order flow. I want all of you to make money using order flow. See, just now the market opened, and there's a lot of zero zone and a lot of volatility. Look at this candle and the delta, other things. This is the plain candle. The zero zones are getting filled. It is neither going upside or downside. The delta is the same, and now it's trying to push towards the downside because of this aggressive sellers here. You can see the cursor. I'll just mark it out. At this point in time, this section which I have marked is the point of control. At this point in time, although more orders are in this range, the order right now is happening in this blue color. Whatever you see, the blue color, that is the place where trading is taking place. The blue color you see here, these are aggressive buyers, these are aggressive sellers. I think these people covered the position now. They took a position and covered it. Probably market is showing signs of downside, although it is not very clear at this point. open action trade should happen within this candle or the next candle. But now the market is showing signs of downside. There is a new course, new batch starting next week, that is Monday, and 9th and 16th there is a new batch, and it will be a course for crash course for order flow, learning order flow, and also there will be a course provided for freshers who doesn't know to trade or do not know anything about the market. There will be a crash course for them as well, and all is coming at a 50% discount rate. And you can see the description in my previous channel, or call or WhatsApp me on 8762963618. I am going to teach you how to use order flow in that session. The first candle is still not over. I think no much of movement for first 10 or 15 minutes. It is going to trade in between this range. These people are controlling the candle currently. Let's see how the next candle opens. One more minute to go. Right now I have not taken any trade and will not take any trade until I get a confirmation. I think the audio is slightly better today than my previous videos. We have to analyze this chart to get a glimpse of what market action could happen today. It is neither in the sell zone nor in the buy zone. So market has to go in one direction. Slowly it will go to one direction, and after that it will give an aggressive move, probably because of the expiry late in the afternoon. But we can still be patient and don't take a trade, any trade as of now. The market is not moving in any direction, it is going sideways. We need an aggressive move now to see which direction the market is going. This point is the point of control as of now, where enough buyers and sellers are there. See, you can see the color. 532 aggressive buyers and 326 sellers. The cart, selling cart, and the buying cart is not supporting any direction. We need a cart ratio of about more than 6 or 7 or probably 8. I am also starting a session for ladies, which will be a fresh course in the sense like for beginners, and I will be teaching how to trade right from the scratch, and a fresh batch is starting again on the dates I mentioned, the 9th and the 16th. Looking at the strength of the batch, I will decide on the timings and the dates. So I need all of you to help me by supporting, by subscribing, and giving sincere feedback about what is happening. See, look at this point. Point is very important. I will tell you why it is important, but currently it is important. The cart is 400 and this is 100. It is not supporting. Here the delta is 513, 5 minus 533. You should see the delta. It is supporting the downside, and you also see the volume. Volume is very less, 1700, 800. Here it was 600. 6,000. A positive delta is trying to convert into a negative delta, minus 900. But this is still not supporting. This is also still not supporting. This has to support. Although this is supporting, on the whole, the numbers are not supporting. The numbers have to support. No emotional trading or compulsive trading or anything like that. If we do anything of that kind, we are sure to lose money, because there are big people sitting, even retailers are sitting with 20 crores, 30 crores. So we should be careful about that. And the FIIs and the DIIs will be domestic institutional investors. They will be sitting with more than 500 crores, 1000 crores. There will be fund managers managing big funds, and their idea is to extract money from the retailers, because retailers don't have sophisticated tools, and most of the people are not using order flow, so they don't get to know what is happening in the market. See, this is what I can see in the regular chart, or what you people can see. Now the cart is supporting on the downside, but I will wait for confirmation of or follow through. I need a follow through of the candle. I am not going for a trade even now, but look at these numbers, very important numbers. This line is very important. I have not put this line today. I have put it several days back. And I will teach you everything, how to mark all these things. The lines you put will be so strong that the market will struggle, very much struggle to go beyond that line. I will tell you how to put that line. But currently, look at this candle and look at these numbers. These are sellers. There are only sellers here, no buyers. The cart is supporting the sell side. See, 1288, and delta is 1300 in the minus. Now I am expecting the market to go up instead of going down. I will tell you why. Because it's following a pattern. Let us see how it goes. It is not necessary that it has to go according to my thoughts, but thing is, we have to make money. So you have to speculate things and confirm that on order flow. Some patterns are like this. Some patterns are like this. Some patterns like this. So we have to see what is happening in this, and we have to watch for footprints. This is one important candle everybody have to watch. And why is the market going up after a strong delta showing downside, and will the market again go down from here? We have to learn that, and how is it we are going to decide. See, the volume is reduced from the 6,000 to 3,000, 3,000 to 1,200. So we will see what will happen in the next few candles. Even now I have not taken a trade. Now I will be taking a trade. Yes, now I will be entering the market here. One dip I will buy it, and look at this order. Just as I told, I expected the market to bounce. It is going to bounce, break the opening in a few seconds from now. Yes, my order is executed. I am buying 43,000 call. My order is executed and my stop loss is this line. I told you it won't go up straight line, it will come and take a dip. So you have to confirm, wait, have patience, and then take a call. Just because it gave a strong move, you don't have to just jump and take a trade here. So you will have to suffer the losses till here. Till here means around 80 to 90 points. 80 to 90 points will give you huge losses, and some people cannot see the losses, and they will be having small margins, small capital, and they will be playing with full capital. So those kind of people will end up in trouble. I have taken a position at 43,180 Banknifty, and I have bought 43,000 call option. I am expecting the market to break this and go above this level to this level, 43,480. How I am telling you all this, that I will later tell you. Watch this order. If there is a change in direction or something, if today is expiry, so I will exit with a 10-point stop loss. But I should see that it doesn't cross this line. One second. Hello. So still the trading point, now it is confirmed that the market is going up because it is closed here and opening is here. It might come here and again it will go up, that is for sure. How I am telling all these things, I will tell you in my course. The course fees is 15,000, a discount of 50%, that is 15,000. Usually the course fee is 30,000. And it will be a 5-day course. And just look at the move now. As soon as it crosses the today's high, just see how there will be a rocket move, and it is going to cross this point, that is 43,350. Let us wait and watch, because market is open to everybody and there is no time. Anybody can enter at any time. If it is an usual play, let us see, it has to go up. If it's an unusual play, or then even any FIA or DI is entering, probably it might take a dip. But however, the candle is very weak, it is not supporting. I need strong numbers. The numbers are very less now. 96 and 96, there is a tight tug of war between the buyers and the sellers. The delta is towards the positive side. See, there is a shift in delta from the negative to the positive. See, after the first candle it was 1300 negative, and it came to 26 negative. Now it is 400 positive, and there is a big fight and the delta is purely supporting on the buy side. People who went short are covering. See the numbers. This is the delta. This is the max delta, minimum delta, and this the last one is this cumulative delta, and this is the volume. So the delta is purely supporting on the buy side. Remember, my stop loss is here, the blue line. I won't take any trade in options without stop loss. You can exit without making any money. That is a different matter, but we should not lose money. That is the criteria. Coming to gaining money and losing money, entering the market to make money and losing the money is not a good sign. Now the point of control is still here. As I told you, I will mark it out. Look at this. Look at the place where the orders have been placed. 300, 500, 89, 67, 200, 266, and again it is trying to trade in the same range. It is trying to control. They are trying to control this point. The FIs, if they have bought their position, they don't want to lose their position. If they have bought on the buy side, they want to keep the market on the upside. See how it is bouncing. Zero zone is developing, and the market is going to bounce now. See how it is bouncing. It is reaching 300. Yes, it is going to reach more than 300. Look at the order here. Look at the order here. I will tell you what these orders are in the course, but as of now, look at this. Look at this. These are the orders which tell us that the market is going up, not down. In these two candles, there was no any support to indicate anything. Look, the market is going up. Look at the orders. Look at the orders here. It is going to shoot up 200 points within a few minutes from now. And look at the gap. Gaps are developing in between. So the market is going to shoot up very aggressively. I am 100 points in the money now. I am 100 points in the money. Remember, today is expiry. The market will be very volatile. So you have to be very watchful. The trend reversal can happen at any time. Look at this COT, 1616, and look at the COT ratio, 100. Very supportive of the upside. We are not bothered what is happening in this candle unless it crosses this direction. We should not be bothered if it goes up, because we have positions on the upside. Remember, my stop loss is here. If it breaks this point, I am going to consider to lifting my stop loss till here. I will move my stop loss till here. Market is very easy, but you have to keep it simple. Don't get confused. Don't panic just because when there is a spike or something. The market is going to reach 43,380, 400 in a bit of time, and then the 480 is the first target, and if it is on the upside, 43,600 is the second target. Hopefully it will go as I predict, but I am not any astrologer. I have been telling all this based on the charts, not anything else. Smart buyers are here, although it is small. They will try to keep the market above this place. Keep watching. These people have just entered in the previous candle, so they will try to keep the market up. They will keep buying and buying and buying all those offered orders. They will keep bidding all the offer orders and they will try to keep the market in this range or above. See what is happening. They are trying to trade. People are trying to push it down, but it's not going down. This is an aggressive buyer again. 99 is aggressive seller. Remember, make a note of my number 8762963618. You can either WhatsApp me or call me after market hours. See, as I told you, the market is just trading in this range. How is it possible for me to tell? I am also a human being. How can I tell you all these things so clearly? That is because of the order flow charts, not because of anything. Even if there is a dip, it is going to come up. Because I have a strong belief that these people don't want to lose the money. And I am going to play with them. I told you today is expiry, there will be a lot of volatility. You have to get 2 or 3 confirmations to take a trade, otherwise the theta and the decay will be there. A lot of decay will be there in the options. If the market goes up 10 points, the options will rise 20 points, and if the market falls 10 points, it will fall 20 points. The movement will be very aggressive because there will be aggressive sellers in the option side. And we are outsmarting the sellers because selling is easy, buying is difficult, and buying with order flow is easy. We don't want to sell because selling is doesn't require any knowledge. You sell out of the money. Call option 1000 points away from what is there, and you get that premium, or 500 points. If you are scared of 500 points, if you are scared that it is going to move 500 points, you can sell 1000 points away from the current spot price. The price is not going down. It is in this range. I am still holding my position. I am not waiting for the I am waiting for the market to go upside. However, there is a zero zone here. There is huge sellers coming, so my stop loss is going to be hit here if at all 2 ticks comes down. Yes, my stop loss is hit, and again it is going to bounce. I will take a fresh trade if there is any confirmation here. Although there is a confirmation, that is how they do stop loss hunting. So you should not keep your position always open, and you should not be scared of stop loss. I will show you stop loss hitting orders. They will hit. There will be a spike of 200 points. Hit your stop loss and reverse and close here. This is the kind of trade that will happen on expiry day. So you should keep shifting your stop losses. However, now since I have exited the trade, I will just wait because there are some aggressive sellers here. As I told you, this is the point of sellers. This selling point, I am going to put it in red. And remember, nobody can perfect the market. You cannot get a perfect entry. You can get a very near perfect entry. Nobody can perfect the market to exact point. Buy it at this point, buy it at this point. But we can still get very close to perfecting the market. Although you cannot perfect it 100%, you can perfect it at least 95%. People keep 100 points, 150 points as stop loss, and some people, I don't want to criticize them or anything. They give 50 point stop loss, 100 point target. I don't know the idea behind that. See, this is again one buying zone. I will mark out that zone also. I will mark it in green. Market, let it move, let it consolidate. We will wait for some time and see what happens and then take a call. See, market there is a trend reversal, there is action on both sides today, so we should be very careful. We should keep tight stop loss. I went live on this day because this is expiry and it will be very volatile, and I want to teach you guys how to trade in a very volatile market. This red thing, there are big sellers, and this green thing is there are big buyers. I will shift it to here. I will tell you why I shifted it till there. Now I am going to remove these lines for clarity purpose. Now I am not taking any trade. Although this is supporting on the sell side, COT is increasing on the sell side, and you kindly watch 43,000 call option or 43,000 call option. So we will see how it goes and which is the point to buy. It will decay up to 80 to 85% or 90%, and then it will give an opportunity to buy. That is what I am expecting today because of the aggressive buying which happened in the earlier candles. However, I will allow the market to play out for some time. In the meantime, I will have my breakfast and come. I will see how it goes. The market is going to bounce from here. The market is going to bounce from here. I am expecting the market to bounce, and if it gives me a opportunity, I will be buying the market here. I am expecting the market to bounce based on the COT and the COT ratio and the volume here. Volume has increased. As expected, the market is trying to bounce, but there are sellers here, more sellers. The buyers have to overtake the sellers, only then the market is going up. But nothing to worry, expiry trade can be very profitable if traded very patiently. So currently I am giving it a little bit of time to play out, and then I will see what can be done. But currently I am out of trade. I will take a trade later, and now I am going for breakfast. Although I want to buy here, I am not taking a position until I finish my breakfast and come back. So you can see how the market plays out. I am expecting the market to go to 43,280. If it goes to 280, there are another 200 points upside. 43,280 is the first target. I'll put it here. We will see how it goes. Although I am not taking a trade. 43,200. First target. There is some construction work going on here in house. There is a sound you are hearing, but I cannot do anything to stop that. Although I have closed all the windows and doors, the sound is very high. Anyway, let us see. And the second target, 43,340. I don't know where I marked this. This moved a bit. Try to remove this because I forgot the place where I marked. $43,380. Call option. Market is a thing which will make you frustrated and go against your will. So if you want to trade profitably, you have to be very patient. So I am expecting the market to go up. Even if it comes down, I am expecting the market to go up. There should be a reversal. So we will see the point of reversal. If the market breaks this point, it is going to go deeper, but it is going down. Probably it will go down till here and sideways movement and then go up. The last after 2 o'clock, that will go in movement like that. Anyway, for now I'll take a break and have breakfast and come, and in the meantime I'll leave this like this and see how the market will play out. And somebody who is trading can use the order flow charts because I'm sharing the screen. More aggressive sellers building up here. Here. I'm still expecting the market to go up. I have not taken a trade. I have exited at my stop loss. My stop loss is only 10 points. And I have taken a very small trade. Look at these orders here. Do you have any idea of what this is? Aggressive sellers. This is reloading. One aggressive seller, one stop loss order, these three orders are reloading. these are also reloading. See, the number is not supporting. Delta is on the negative side. First we want the delta to shift along with the volume. Volume should increase and delta should go positive. That is a double confirmation we get. Okay, I'll be right back. So till then, happy trading. I'll insert a text. See, it's a very important candle. See if it turns green. If it turns green, this will be, and if the cart and delta is everything supporting, this candle should be the footprint for upside. However, see, it is turning green, but the delta is not supporting, the cart is not supporting, delta and cart both are not supporting. Now the delta is slightly supporting. I want the cart also to change. I think everybody are able to listen. I don't know what is happening, but I feel everybody are able to listen. Okay, I'll be right back. I don't know whether you guys are able to listen to me or not, because this is the first live session I've gone. I'll come back, stop. Okay, I will stop the video and check if the recording is okay. So, how to flow in that session? Okay, it is working, you can see. I started recording again. Okay, I'll be right back.